Hi, this is Mehdi, and today we are going to show you how to work with SQLite3 and Electron and how to correctly build SQLite3 for Electron. So I struggled a lot to build and to use SQLite3 with Electron, so I thought how about making a video then to explain to the others how to do it on Windows. So if you search on Google SQLite3 npm and you hit the first search result, you will see that in order to use SQLite3 with Electron, you need to custom build it for Electron. And in order to do that, you need to build from source, okay? And now if you see the dependencies, in order to build from source, you need this node pregip, and especially now if you go to build from source, from source, let's search for source, okay. You need node gip, okay. So node gip need to be installed correctly, and node gip need to be installed npm install -g node gip. Not only that, but you will have to install other softwares and things like Python. For example, for Linux, you need to install Python, make a proper compiler, C++ compiler. On Mac OS X, Python and Xcode, and some other things. However, for Windows, it's a little bit tricky, but you have two options. You have the first option, which is the easiest one, which is the one that I prefer, which was the one that I used, and the second option to install all the needed softwares and so on manually. Okay, I prefer to do this one. I've already done it, so I'll just search for the cmd or command line, and you run as administrator. It's very important. You need to run it as administrator, and then you copy npm install this Windows build tools, okay, and you paste it and you hit enter. I'm not going to install it because I've already done it, and you need to be patient because it will take too much time, okay. So after doing that, you should be ready and good to build SQLite3 for Electron. So let's go. I have created a folder called SQLite3. I'm using Visual Studio Code to open this folder, and let's go and install what we need. Okay, so first we are going to npm init in order to create the package.json file. Okay, so the name I will call it SQLite3 Electron. The version, let's keep it this is to show how to build SQLite3 for Electron. Not fear, but for, no, it doesn't matter. So the entry point will be index.js, no git repository, keywords, hookers, and here Dztuto. License hookers, yes, okay. So we see we have created our JSON file here. So let's go and install. First, let's go install Electron. So npm install save dev Electron. So, So now that we have installed Electron, we need to install SQLite3. So if we go back to the documentation and search for Electron, okay, so in order to install it, we have to install and do a custom build. So npm installs SQLite3 build from source. Okay, so let's go back. Okay, npm install. Not only that, but also we need additional flag. Okay, so we have to copy this Electron and so on. I am using so the Electron version here is 1.7.9, so we change the target to 0.9 and hit enter. It will finish install it and we come back. Okay, now that we have finished building SQLite3, I forgot to save it to my dependencies, but it's not a big deal. So let's go and create index.js, the entry point, and index.html. HTML, okay. So I'm using emmet, so just and for index.js, let's go to the Electron atom.io and docs and quick start, and let's copy this. Okay, no problem. I'll copy everything. Okay, save it. I have the index.html and h1. Okay, hello, these are Dztuto. Okay, and we are going to script. Okay, let's go to the SQLite3 and grab the example code to test. Okay, and let's put it here. Let's format the document, save, and go back to package.json and replace that test with the start and Electron save, and that's it. npm run start. No, npm, not npo. Run start. And here you go. It's working. No error. Everything set correctly. So thank you for watching this, and see you next time.